Are you excited for Q4 and are you listing already for Q4 already? Absolutely. When it comes to Q4, I've been listing. That question's from Ken. I've been listing stuff. I've been basically sourcing for Q4 for the past 6 months. Like I've never put so much planning and preparation into a specific like time period for sales ever before. Last year, I remember I was expecting sales to just pour in, and I was doing a lot of thrifting, and I was expecting sales to pour in, but I wasn't preparing for it. And the preparation that comes with preparing for Q4 sales is literally just trying to buy brand new with tags items, trying to buy stuff, trying to buy quantity and stuff. You know what I mean? Like if you can get 2 or 3 or 4 of the same exact item and it makes it easy to list, try to do that. Even if you're not going to make a ton of profit, trust me, but just by having more quantity, more pieces available, you'll be making more sales. Like I said, I just been sourcing more. I've been doing a lot of thrifting as well, but also going to a lot of these outlets and these other like retail stores. I've been buying in bulk. Like I bought a few pairs of New Balance sneakers yesterday, listed them as soon as I got home. I bought them, I think $50, and they should sell for like 120, that 110 range. So it's really just about trying to buy as much inventory, quality inventory, but trying to spend more money. And I know for some resellers, it's depending on the stage of your career right now, you might not feel comfortable spending that amount of money. But trust me, it takes baby steps to do it. But trust me, if you see a good deal anytime between now and say October, or even late November, like Black Friday, when a lot of big sales are coming, definitely take the risk. Of course, do the research, but take the risk, and you're gonna make some sales. Trust me, because Q4 is when people are shopping like crazy. And I think the mistake I made last year was the fact that I just had inventory, but I didn't have enough to really make an impact. So my sales were pretty regular. You know what I mean? My sales were pretty average. But I think this year, just last month, I had one of my best months ever. And Q4 didn't technically start yet. So I'm really excited for Q4.
Cause you felt like you was losing, only for the winner. Move just to keep from cooling, like only for the winner, only for the winner, only for the winner. Boy, my heart is cold, and I'm too cool to sweat it. I should've never offered it. I'm tight and now I'm off this shit. You should wanna be a real